Now, question 8 says that I'm taking a turn of 30 meters per second on a ramp with a radius of 25 meters. What is my acceleration? This is a simple equation to solve. If you're looking at the acceleration, you know that this can also equal v squared over radius. And then you would plug in the answers. So AC equals v squared, our velocity being 30, and our radius being 25. So we get 900 divided by 25. And if we put that in our calculator, that means our acceleration is 36 meters per second squared. And that is our answer.